Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, remove the band if it limits access and wipe the case to keep dust out. Use a small Phillips to remove screws, then gently lift the case back with a plastic pry. This avoids scratching and keeps seals intact. Once the back is loose, note gasket placement and orientation. Why this matters. The gasket preserves water resistance. Make sure to keep screws organized so reassembly returns each one to its original hole. You now focus on the power cell. Observe how the battery sits and how clips or springs hold it. Using plastic tweezers, lift the old CR 2025 straight up to avoid bending contacts. Once removed, inspect the contact surfaces for corrosion. Clean gently with a lint-free cloth if needed. Insert the new battery with the same polarity, positive side up, if that was original, and press it into the clip so spring tension ensures firm electrical contact. Then verify the display or register responds. You finish by reinstalling the gasket exactly as removed. Apply a thin layer of silicone grease if you have it to preserve water resistance. Place the case back and hand-tighten screws in a crisscross pattern so the seal compresses evenly. Once closed, test all buttons and sensors to confirm full function. If the watch still shows no power, check that the contact spring is not bent and the battery is seated. If needed, reseat the cell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.